Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. This is the almost there white dress version. So let me remove everything except for the ones I made accessory adjustments on, which is just probably the hair and the feather. You do need VIP for the feather, but if you don't want to use it, that's totally okay. Get this hair in only bangs in black. Scale it up to 1, position the Y 0.35, Z 0.86, and rotate the X to 0.97. Grab this hair in only bangs in the first toggle, and then grab this hair in just the usual toggle, and then grab this hair in bangs only, position the Y 0.52, Z 0.44, rotate the X to 0.45, and scale it to 0.38. Does look weird from the back, but we move on. Get this feather and color it all white, position the X at 0.55, Y 0.57, and scale it all the way to 0.21. And the rest is super easy. You're going to go to this section, grab this if you have this in the type 4 toggle, and just color it all white. Then we're going to grab the scarf from the Christmas event. If you have it, if you don't have it, you can use the VIP one. But this one's free. Grab these shoes and color it white. And then also grab the choker 2 in white. If you don't have it, just use the one outside in matte. And then also grab this bracelet in white and matte. You can't really see it, but she does wear a white bracelet. And that is how you can create Princess Tiana on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!